Today at Classic Showcase, we're going to preview our 1971 Porsche 911T Targa. What a great example. Limited California ownership, Southern California ownership. Look at those Fuchs wheels, Fuchs alloy wheels. They are fantastic. The lines of the car is spectacular. This is an early Porsche, and it's exactly what everybody wants for collectability. It's got great feeling on the road. It handles really well. This is a Sportomatic, which means that you can shift gears, but you don't need a clutch. So it's got a manual shift without a clutch, a Sportomatic. It's got a full roll bar built in, so it's got two tops. You've got a coupe look, and you can open it up and take the Targa top off the car. The tires are all good and ready for the road. The car has been completely detailed, serviced, and it's just ready for you to enjoy in the California highways or wherever you want to drive it. So we're going to take a look all around the car. It's got the rear grille that for venting. This is an air-conditioned model, and you got glasses all good all the way around, the original mirror. Now there it is with the Targa top off. What a look. And you've got the black interior, so the car is black on black. Spacious trunk with two batteries up front, just as it came from the factory. Look at the trunk lights that are on when it's open, just as you want it to be for light at night. When you shut it, it goes out. And now in the interior, we've got bucket seats that have been reupholstered. We've got the air conditioning system, which is bare air, but it's got a modern compressor with a few other things. It's got AM/FM Jensen stereo radio cassette with really good speakers, full instrumentation. You've got the original Porsche steering wheel wrapped in a nice leather. You've got the cocoa mats, which are period correct for the car. It's just a stunning example. And look at the door pockets. They're perfect on here, just as you would expect them to be. This is a really good example, and it's ready for the road. Now we go back to the engine compartment. All the yellow CAD as it came out of the factory. It's in stock condition, but you've got a brand new compressor, rotary compressor, on the factory bare air system. The 911T is a perfect engine for cruising your favorite highway. The undercarriage, take a look at that. Look how clean it is. Everything is nice, rust-free, very tidy, and recently serviced. What else would you want from a Porsche except for a car like this that you can do whatever you want with it? You can drive it on your favorite road. You can put it on the show field and even win a trophy. It's highly collectible, and they're going up in value every day. This is a good quality car. You won't be disappointed. Trust us. This is one of the cars that you can get in and go anywhere that you want and have a great time. And remember, you can shift gears or just put it in drive. You got the option of both ways without having a clutch. So this is a good opportunity for you to own a 1971 Porsche 911T Targa from Classic Showcase. That's a great example.